Happy birthday, Iya! Thank you sa lahat, Iya. Happy birthday. Have a nice day. Iya, happy birthday. Shunger Kwaila. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi. Maging mabuti ang sekretary. Yun lang.
Ayoko naman niya. Iya! Iya! Ayan. Happy birthday! Love you. Take care.
Happy birthday, Iya.
Hi.
Ingat.
Hi, Iya. Hi. Joke. Happy birthday. And you'll always be LM2's princess. Bye. I love you. Happy birthday. Ano ba, nung first day, magkatabi tayo. Ba't naisipin dito ko sa'yo yung buwan na sa akin? Kasi friends tayo na close. Wala lang. Sana hanggang forever. May nag-exist pa din forever. Sana. Yun lang. Happy birthday, princess. Love you.
Good afternoon. Good morning. Para pag pinanood mo to, anytime pwede mo panoorin. I hope you enjoyed your birthday, you enjoyed your day, and also, I'm very proud and I'm very happy to be part of your life, to be part of your 17th year of existence. Masaya ako sa UST. Ang isang reason doon is because of you, because I met you, because mayroon akong secretary, mayroon akong best friend like you. Not only beautiful, but also beautiful inside and out. Very smart. At higit sa lahat, she treasures Kristen very much. And treasure mo ako very much. Iya, you are a princess in my life because hindi ka basta-basta. You deal with the problems well. You care with the persons well. At higit sa lahat, yung tipo mo ng tao is the person na madaling mahalin and to earn respect. Madaling. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday. Sabihin ko. Wala lang. Akala ko mas makaka-close pa kita. Akala ko hindi kita makaka-close. Akala ko mas yung makaka-close mo. Pero turn out to be ko mas nakaka-close. May nalaboses ko. Happy birthday! Ayun. Yung kay Tom kasi nobela yun eh. Hindi ko naman kaya gumawa ng gano'n. Happy birthday nilang I love you. Ingat. Short story na lang. Sana naging solid yung black card hanggang pag-graduate. Wait, i-type ko na. Happy birthday.
Ay, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Miss LM. Wala lang.
From Miss Beth.